Hello and welcome to the December update from the TauNet team. Let's get into the business teams updates. All right, I'll pass it over to Kilian for his update this month. Over to you.
Thank you, and hi everybody. So this month was quite exciting. A lot of things are happening. One of these things is we are now active on Zeely, which is a platform for social questing. So we'd like to encourage any of our community member who's interested in raising awareness around our project and also maybe reaping in some rewards to participate. A lot of people have been participating this month, so that's really great to see. You can also, if you check our Medium, there's a blog post on how you can participate. Also, Felix is helping on that regard. He's been creating some really nice quests for that matter. Then I've been also been active on X with our account, partially cleaning our For You feed on a daily basis to fine-tune our feed over time, as well as engaging in high-quality discussions all around AI safety, reasoning, lots of different angles. Please check out not just our account on X, but X in general, because there's basically an infinite number of relevant discussions, and we try to be active in as many as possible. Then I've also been monitoring the Telegram bot that bridges messages from X to our Telegram. The majority of tweets are now being bridged, but sometimes still messages aren't being bridged, so that's something we're trying to fix. We've also, that's quite a continuous thing, been in discussion with different marketing agencies and checking out the variety of their services. And on some of these, we've made some final decisions, and on some others, we are still negotiating and seeing what makes sense for us. I've also been working on various articles together also with the team. One is about the upcoming demo. Another article is about worldviews as AI agents. And one is about machine learning and reasoning and why logic is the key to true intelligence. So we're ramping up our content creation, looking to pump out as much as relevant content as possible. Then we also had a call, Fola and I, with a blockchain-focused VC. So we're making progress here as well, but nothing is set in stone yet. We're also continuing with KOL scouting and outreach. Also, I've been doing community support in our Telegram mainly. And together with Igor, we've also been working on some other content, like an infographic on Agoras, which you can find both on our X, but also on our Telegram within the pinned messages. Highly recommend checking that out and sending it around to your friends and whoever you want. It's probably one of the most easy to understand resources that we have right now to understand Agoras. That next up is an infographic on TauNet that we are going to tackle. And that's pretty much it from me. Just last but not least, obviously, the community member of the month. This month, there were many great contributions, but Andrew hit the ground running, creating content and engaging in discussions on X. So congrats, Andrew.
All right, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Kilian. I'll pass it over to Igor for his update this month. Cheers.
Thank you, Fola. Hello, everyone. So this is my update for December month. We have made some little edits to the Tau deck. We previously also updated some of the copy, but we also changed some of the visuals on at this one. And we have continued working on the Tau.ai website and TauNet website. We are doing great progress when it comes to splitting two websites. We are also working with a third-party provider that's going to be able to apply things to like buying Agoras or buying licenses with Agoras or debit cards. So there's going to be the option for that, but also the option that you will be able to purchase the merch in the future. Apart from the website split, we are, I believe I mentioned in the previous month, we are also still working with one of the designers to do the whole redesign of these web pages. Right now, we just want to launch the pages as you can currently see with the same sort of color overview. But we're looking forward to get the other redesign, and it's going to be much better and easier to manipulate. And from there, I did some content creation. Kilian and I had a discussion how we're going to make some progress when it comes to the visuals. I remember some of the community members mentioned that they would like to see some visuals as well. So we, at the current point, have made the Agoras infographic that's probably going to be visible at the time when you see this video. But we're also going to make a progress on how we see TownNet, worldviews, and basically any other topic that is going to be necessary for you to understand. Um, Last but not least, there was some call research that was done also in the last month, but also in this month. The team is currently looking forward on how we can integrate them in the future and how we can work with them. So that's pretty much it from the research side. And also, we are all preparing one of the ideas that we want to implement. It will be including OHAD. It's like a little AMA section. We do have ideas how we want to do this, but we still haven't really wrapped up the whole thing. So in the future, you will be able to ask OHAD directly. You'll get the answers in the video format. And that's about it for month of December. Thank you.
All right, amazing stuff, Igor. And yeah, over to me. So Kilian's already mentioned Andrew for his Community of the Month choice. But I'm also going to give another community member of the month choice of Meow Meow for being consistently excellent in our community. He's been there since pretty much the beginning. And for those that don't know, Meow Meow was actually the person who started the Telegram channel. He's actually passed the torch over to us, and we're going to make some excellent changes over to the Telegram channel. We're going to be doing a lot of integrations there. And in general, just zhuzhing it up a little bit with all the kind of new features that Telegram can offer and connecting it to all the different areas that we're building at the moment, such as the Tau Forum and other places as well. So instead of having multiple different channels, we're going to be making it a forum style where you'll just be able to see all the different channels in one place. For example, the announcements, the development group, and the main chat, and other places as well, other things as well that we're going to be integrating into it as well. So you won't have to search for as much content. Yeah, a little bit easier there. So you won't have to search for as much content and go through different channels. Everything will be in one place and you won't miss anything. On the other side, we've now got all the content together for the website splits. So we're working with the designers and the team to finish off the rebrands so we can actually split the websites. So we have an enterprise side and the blockchain side. So we want everyone to just see the blockchain side and really interact with what they should be interacting with. Really decrease the confusion as to what the products actually are. So people just see just TownNet. Also, we're adding an integration to be able to buy Agoras using card via the website. And at the same time, we're also going to be able to allow people to buy enterprise products using Agoras as well. So that's a really big improvement to how we currently do things. People are having to currently use exchanges, but you'll be able to just get them straight off our website. Another part of what we're working on at the moment is video explainers. And this is something that I know a lot of you have wanted for a while now. We have sort of held that back a little bit because we wanted to make sure that the messaging was correct and the branding was right. But now we have everything in place to actually go out and do that. We are actually reaching out to CGI designers and people who can handle this really interesting vision that we have for TownNet. So that will be coming in the new year. And yeah, we're working on that. A lot of ideas flying around for how we can really depict the greatness of what we're building here. So yeah, in the new year, please expect a new website, a lot of new content coming from us, a lot of new ways of doing things, a lot of the things that you guys have wanted to see from a marketing side. So yeah, that is all coming soon. All right, so that about wraps it up. We will see you on Telegram. We'll see you on X. Me and Ahad are tweeting now. And yeah, so follow us. Ahad Asor, and mine is Fola_TauLogicAI. And yeah, we'll be there. We'll be on all the socials and looking forward to interacting with you guys as well. Cheers. Bye.